What's the difference between the Ergonx Elements work boots and the current work boots on the markets? Hi guys, I'm Kent, the podiatrist from Docpods and Ergonx, and we've had a question come in by email that asking what's the difference between our work boots and the current work boots on the market? And it's a good question. So basically, a little bit of the history of how we've come about with our work boots is we've been developing insoles for running shoes for about the last 15 years. And so what's happened is in the podiatry clinic, we found it a little bit difficult to find a work boot that we're completely happy fitting our orthotic insoles into because we need to support and cushion the foot. And what happened is a lot of the work boots that were currently on the market only focused on protecting the foot. So what we did is we went and developed a work boot that would both support and cushion your feet. And generally what we find is that when we support and cushion the feet, they're more comfortable. And to explain that a little bit further, what happens when our feet are allowed to pronate, so roll in or roll out, or the arch is allowed to collapse because our feet roll in too far, what happens is the bones of the foot and the ligaments and the muscles need to work harder to control these excessive movements, the most common one being, someone's foot rolling in. So in order for our foot to function efficiently, what happens is our foot goes from the rolled in position, our muscles have to contract and pull this back into what we call a neutral position, and then that makes it more efficient for our foot to propel off of. So what we did, we developed a work boot that's more like the running shoes that we're used to fitting our orthotic insoles into. So it's got more features of a running shoe than other work boots on the market that will help to support and cushion your feet. And it's also got the protective features like the steel cap, the slip resistant, fuel resistant, heat resistant outsole, it's got a puncture resistant board inside. And the other features that we've put into this that actually function more like a running shoe is it's got this really nice cushioned midsole. It's got a thermoplastic heel counter which helps to grip your heel and stop it from rolling in. You can check this by pushing on the heel and you see it doesn't collapse. It's got a shank and a stiff board, so when we bend the shoe, it only bends where your big toe bends, and this makes your foot much more efficient. And it's also got this really nice orthotic insole, which helps to support and cushion through the foot. And so that will make your foot more comfortable. It will roll in less and it'll be more comfortable at the end of the workday. So in short, our work boots will support and cushion your foot as well as protect them across the workday and will make your feet more comfortable than any other boots on the market. So I hope this helps to answer your question.